Respected students, welcome back everyone. So you all know that we are starting the new playlist that is real-time project scenarios. Okay, so 2 days back I have posted one scenario in our YouTube community section, Instagram and LinkedIn, and I have got huge response. So that afterwards I understood that you all are interested in real-time project scenarios, what we are working on. Okay, so I've started the new playlist and today is the first video. So the first scenario which I have shared that day was if I have a fact table with no proper date column. Okay, so if I'm having a fact table which has the date column, but it is in number data type. Okay, like the records are 20250312, 20250422, like these records are there. Okay, and number data type is there. So you all know that parallel period and all this DAX function doesn't work on this number data type. It works only on date data type. So now I have to make date column with date data type in Power BI, not in backend. Okay, so you understood the scenario that in fact table I am having a date column, but which is in number data type, and I have to convert it into date data type. So from tell me the all possible ways. So there are three possible ways. So now let's go to Power Query. First we will check in Power Query and then with one with DAX also. See, so this is the numeric column. See, you are able to see that number data type is there, and see the records are 20240101 like this. So the first way is go to Add Column tab, column from example, from selection. Okay, now click here and click on this second one. Okay, now again go to this second row. Okay, and now just click on OK. So see, now date column has been made with date data type. Okay, so this is the first way, that if a numeric date is there, go to add column, and with column from example you can do it. Now I will tell you the second way with DAX also, how you can do it. So now go to this, let's go to data view, go to this table name, click on new column, not major, because we want the new column na? So now let's give it name as converted date. Okay, now date DAX we will pass, and divide we have to do. Okay, then we will pass the numeric date and 4 times 0. Why 4 times 0? Because the first one which is there now, we are considering as year. So year is like 2024 na, so to extract 4 digits, so we are passing that. Now mod DAX which is there, that we will pass. Then again divide this date column, numeric date column, comma 100. The error is showing because one comma I have not passed. Okay, now this is month. Now let's go to mod numeric date, comma 100. Okay, and this is day. Okay, and now bracket we will close on next. Okay, so see, here you are able to see converted date. Now change it to MMDD 4 times Y, which is which data type is professionally used in real-time projects. And now let's also change this to MMDD 4 times Y. So see, these were the two ways, from column from example and with this DAX also. Okay, the reason why we have added this 4, because it's 4 digits, because it should extract 2024 like this. Let's say if data type as a data type, records were like this na, 20240101, so that it should extract this 4 digit. Then for month and this it should extract two digits properly, so we have added that. Okay, again I will show you DAX properly. Let me show with, see. Okay, so thanks for watching till end, and if you are new on our channel, make sure to subscribe and press bell icon for all upcoming videos, and I will come with few more real-time scenarios also. Please comment it. The reason why you commented, I have got 150 plus comments, and that was the main reason motive that I came with new playlist and videos. So when I will post second scenario also, please try to comment it. Please try to answer. Thanks for watching till and everyone.